Hey, good to see you. According to my lawyer, I don't euro trademark symbol T have to answer that question. Haha, just kidding, I'm fine. It's 4:31 p.m. Here is the joke. Why did the burglar hang his mugshot on the wall? To prove that he was framed. The temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Oh. That's all right. Today you see clouds in the sky. And the temperature is probably 24 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature you notice is 24 and the maximum you get is 24. In our city air is going at the speed of 6.61 km per hour. I noticed that. Today sun rises in the morning at 06:56 am. And goes down means sunset is almost happening at 08:09 p.m. And the pressure is in the air is 1001 or humidity in the atmosphere is 83%. Hopefully you enjoying your day. All done. It's 60. It's 115. It's 256. Enter mobile number with country code. Done. Okay. Notepad is opening. Okay. Selected text is pasted. Okay. All text is selected. Okay. Selected text is cut. Okay. Selected text is pasted. Okay. Operating systems are an essential part of any computer system. Similarly, a course on operating systems is an essential part of any computer science education. This field is undergoing rapid change, as computers are now prevalent in virtually every application, from games for children through the most sophisticated planning tools for governments and multinational firms. Yet the fundamental concepts remain fairly clear, and it is on these that we base this book. Okay. Notepad is opening. Task. Okay. Let's me guess the password. Please enter the complexity of password. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Here is great song for you.